students, welcome in Mars Maths classes, and this is the remaining questions of exercise 7th B chapter 7 lines and angles, and it is from R.S. Agrawal. So before starting the video, please go through the link and subscribe the channel. The question number 9 is, two adjacent angles on a straight line are in the ratio 5:4. Find the measure of each one of these angles. Let's do. Now angles are adjacent angles in which one arm is common and common point of this common arm, and other two arms are opposite to each other. Here the angles are in the ratio 5:4. So you can write, let the angles are 5x and 4x. Sum of the angles, because they form linear pair. So sum of the angles will be 180 degree. Write down 5x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. 5 and 4, 9x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 upon 9, 9 to 18, 20 degree. And find the each angle. Suppose this is 5x, this is 4x. Each one angle you can multiply by x and get the angles. So suppose A, O, and this is B, this is C. Right here angles, angle AOC is equal to 5x, means 5 into 20. 5 to the 10 means 100 degree. Similarly, you can find the angle COB. These are required angles. Next question 10. If two straight lines intersect each other in such a way that one of the angles formed measures 90 degree, show that each of the remaining angles measures 90 degree. In this question, two straight lines intersect each other and in such a way that one of the angles formed measures 90 degree. Suppose this angle is 90 degree. So here give the name O, intersecting point. Here A, B, this is one line, and this is C and D, second line, and the angle formed 90 degree. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, vertically opposite angle. This is also 90 degree. Right here solution, angle AOC is equal to 90 degree is equal to, this is given, write it given, and here angle AOC is equal to 90 degree is equal to angle BOD. Okay, no need to. Here you can write vertically opposite angles are equal. And C, this is the straight line CD, and OA is a ray, stand on it. So the sum of the angles AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree, which we have studied in previous video. If a ray stands on a straight line, then the angles, sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. So you can write angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, and here substitute the value of angle AOC 90 degree plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Subtract it, angle AOD is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So this angle you get 90 degree, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angles are equal. So give the reason. Now this is the reason, and you get all three remaining angles are of 90 degree. AOD is equal to BOD is equal to BOC. 90, 90 and 90. So hence proved. Now next question, question number 11. Two lines AB and CD intersect at a point O. That angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 280 degree. Both the sum of these angles. As shown in the figure, find all the four angles. Now very easy, because both are vertically opposite angles. So you can write it, angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. Reason is this. Now you can write it, angle BOC plus angle BOC, 2 times, because both are equal, is equal to 280 degree. 2 times angle BOC is equal to 280 degree. Angle BOC is equal to 280 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 0. 140 degree. So angle BOC you get 140 degree, and AOD also, this is equal to angle AOD. Vertically opposite angles are equal, so this is also 140 degree. Now AB is a straight line and OC is a ray, stand on it. So the sum of the angle BOC plus angle AOC will be 180 degree. So right here, angle AOC plus angle BOC, this angle, is equal to 180 degree. Okay, linear pair you can say, adjacent angle, give the reason, linear pair of angles. Now AOC is not given, so right here angle AOC plus BOC is 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle AOC is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree is equal to 40 degree. This angle you get 40 degree, this is 140 degree, this is 40 degree, and here this is vertically opposite. These are vertically opposite, so if it is asking in the question angle BOD, so it becomes 40 degree. So this is 40 degree, this is 140 degree. All four angles we find out. Next question. Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at a point O such that angle AOC is to angle AOD is equal to 5:7. Find all the angles. We have to find all the angles. So what to do? You will suppose the angles are 5x and 7x. So these will be formed linear pair. Sum of these angles will be 180 degree and get all the angles. Now sum of the angles, because they form the linear pair, is 5x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. 7 plus 5, 12x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 18 upon 12. Now 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 15. x is 15. The angles are 5x and 7x. So angle here, angle AOC is equal to 5x, becomes 5 into 15 is equal to 75 degree, and angle AOD is equal to 7x, means 7 into 15. 15 sevens are 105 degree. When you add these two, you will get 180, the sum of these two angles. So these are our required angles. But answer is not completed because AOC is 75 degree and AOD 105 degree. We require other two angles also. So this angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. Give the reason. And angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. These are also vertically opposite angles. So write here 105 degree and give the reason. You can show like this. Now 4 angles we have find. Question number 13. In the given figure, 3 lines AB, CD and EF, AB, CD, EF intersect at a point O such that angle AOE 35 degree and angle BOD, this is 40 degree. Find the measure of angle AOC, this is BOF, and COF, this is, and DOE, means rest of the angles we have to find out. Now see the angles. This is 35, this is 40, and here AB is a straight line and EF also straight line. Both intersect at O. So they form vertically opposite angles. Angle AOE is equal to angle BOF. Okay, so right here AB and EF, AB line, AB and EF, this is AB, EF, intersect at point O. Therefore, angle AOE is equal to angle BOF is equal to 35 degree. This and this, vertically opposite angles are equal. And similarly for the line CD and for this 40 degree and here also 40 degree. So how it formed? It is formed by these two lines AB and CD intersect. So right here line AB and CD intersect at point O. Therefore, see the line, this is CD, this is AB, and angle BOD is equal to angle here AOC is equal to 40 degree. Same reason, vertically opposite angles are equal. Now you get this angle 35 degree, this is 40 degree, and here AB is a straight line and these are the rays OC and OF, and all the angles on the same side of a line at a point, the sum of all the angles will be 180 degree. This theorem we studied in previous video. So write here angle AOC plus angle COF plus angle BOF is equal to 180 degree, and you can give the reason. Sum of all the angles on same side of a line at a point is 180 degree. So see again, because camera is not captured now. Sum of all the angles on the same side of a line and angles formed by the rays, the sum will be 180 degree. Now substitute the value. AOC is 40 degree is equal to plus angle COF plus angle BOF, this is 35 degree, is equal to 180 degree, and solve it and get the value of. So we get COF is equal to 105 degree. Let's see, this is 105 degree, and angle COF is equal to angle DOE. Both are vertically opposite angles. So right here, this is also 105 degree, and you can mention it here. Angle COF is equal to angle DOE is equal to 105 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles are equal. All angles we have calculated. Question number 14. In the given figure, the two lines AB and CD intersect at a point O, such that BOC, angle BOC is equal to BOC, this is 125 degree. Find the value of X, Y, Z. Let's see. Now see, these are the straight lines and they form the angle XYZ and 125 degree. So here angle B, and this is the point O. Yes, this is given O. So angle BOC is equal to angle, this is Y degree, vertically opposite angles. Here BOC is 125 degree, and reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Very easy. And CD is a straight line and ray OA stand on it. The sum of these two angles, angle Y and angle X, is equal to 180 degree. So right here, ray OA stands on line CD. Therefore, they form linear pair. So right here, X degree plus Y degree is equal to 180 degree, and X is unknown and Y we have already get it. 125 degree is equal to 180 degree, and X is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. Subtract it and get the value of x. And here z is vertically opposite to x angle. So it is also equal to the angle x degree. So here we get all the required three angles, y, x and z, each of 55 degree. Next question number 15. If two straight lines intersect each other, then prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles so formed bisects the vertically opposite angle. Let's see what to do in such type of questions. Now in this question, if two straight lines, so draw two straight lines intersect each other. This is one straight line and one more straight line. So give the name A, B, C and D. If two straight lines intersect each other, then prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles. So draw the bisector of one of the angles. So any angle, this, you can draw a bisector of any one of the angles. So suppose we are drawing, this is the bisector of this angle AOC and give the name E, ABCDE. One of the angles so formed bisects the vertically opposite angle. This bisects, once again I am repeating the question. If two straight lines intersect each other, then prove that the ray opposite to the bisector of one of the angles. So this is the bisector and ray opposite of this bisector will be like this. So because two opposite rays form a straight line, give the name F. So EOF is a straight line, okay, because it is just opposite to the bisector. The ray is just opposite to this bisector, so here it is formed a straight line. So in this question we have to prove that this ray bisects this vertically opposite angle equally. It means to prove angle BOF is equal to angle FOD, or you can write DOF, angle DOF. Proof. First you write ray opposite to the bisector. Bisector means OE. Ray opposite to the bisector and ray which is OF. So write it OF. Ray OF opposite to the bisector formed a straight line EOF. Therefore all the angles, sum of all the angles, this and this, number 1, number 2, number 3, therefore sum of all the angles on the same side is equal to 180 degree. You studied this theorem, we explained in my previous video. 180 degree. So you can write angle EOC, this EOC, plus angle COB or BOC, same thing, BOC or COB plus angle BOF is equal to 180 degree. Now similarly for other side, here also sum of 1, 2 and 3, these three angles on the same side of the line EOF is equal to 180 degree. So write it, angle EOA plus angle AOD plus angle FOD or DOF is equal to 180 degree. This is first equation, this is second. Equate both the equation equal. So you can write it, angle, write it equation first is equal to equation second. Both are 180 degree. So you can write it equal. So angle EOC plus angle COB plus angle BOF is equal to these three angles. Angle EOA plus angle AOD plus angle DOF. Now see angle here EOC is equal to angle AOE because OE is a bisector, so these two angles are equal. It means angle EOC, this angle is equal to angle EOA. So you can cut it, cancel. EOC is equal to angle EOA. So write the reason, angle EOC is equal to angle EOA as OE is the bisector. Now here this angle COB is equal to angle AOD. Both are vertically opposite angle. These two, this and this. So you can keep the reason, angle AOD. This is, let me set the camera. AOD is equal to angle BOC or COB, same thing. So right here angle ACOB is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the reason. So it has been cancelled. Now you will get angle BOF is equal to angle DOF. See here angle, let's see the figure. BOF is equal to angle DOF. This angle is equal to this angle. It means OF is the bisector, or you can say OF bisects the vertically opposite angles, which we have to prove. So right here this angle BOF is equal to angle DOF. This shows that above shows that OF is the bisector of angle B, angle, or you can say vertically opposite angle. Right here complete form, bisector of vertically opposite angle, and angle's name is angle BOD. So So OF is the bisector of vertically opposite angle BOD. Hence proved. Very easy. Now see the complete solution. And you can solve it by another method also. Here you have to solve this by proving the sum of the angles on the same side of a line, and you can solve it by other method in which you will take these two vertically opposite angles, and here other two are these. So you can take the lines AOB and EOF, these two lines AB and EF. Here vertically opposites are angles are equal, and other pair of intersecting line will be CD and EF. So this pair of vertically opposite angles also equal. COE is equal to angle FOD. So here this angle means AOE is equal to BOF. These two equals and these two equals, and here already this is the bisector. These are equal to each other, and if the same things are equal to the same thing, then the things are equal to one another. Axiom, Euclid's axioms you know. So you can prove by using intersecting lines and take one pair. Okay, so this method also you can use to prove this question. So these angles are you can prove equal to each other, so that OF will be the bisector. You can use any one of the method. Next question number 16. 16. Prove that the bisectors of two adjacent supplementary angles include a right angle. Let's see. In this question, prove that the bisectors of two adjacent supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means sum of the angles will be 180 degrees. So it means this will be, suppose, two adjacent angles, and sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. It means these angles lie on a straight line. Give the name O, here A, this is B, this is C. The sum of angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So write here proof. Angle, sum of the angles, adjacent angles. So write the sum. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. And draw the bisectors. Suppose this is the bisector of angle AOC. Write it D. And here the bisector of BOC. Draw this bisector like this. It means we have to prove that sum of, this is D, this is E, sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. So, to prove, here in starting, right, to prove angle DOE is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove this and start the proof. For proof, we are using that sum of adjacent angle on a straight line will be 180 degree, and they form the linear pair. Now half on both sides. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to half of 180 degree. We divide both sides by half, or you can say divide by 2 LHS and RHS both, or multiply by half both sides. Both are the same thing. So this becomes half of angle AOC plus half of angle BOC is equal to, cut it, you will get 90 degree. And what is half of AOC? See the half of AOC. AOC, this is AOC, and half of this means this is the bisector OD. Half part is this. This is also half, because this is the bisector, OD is the bisector. Both are equal. So we are taking this part. So you can write it angle DOC, or you can say COD, same thing. So half of AOC becomes angle COD. You can write it as angle COD plus half of BOC. See the angle BOC. This is the BOC complete, and half means bisector. OE is the bisector. It divides this angle into two equal parts. So we are taking this part EOC. So you can write it EOC or COE, same thing. Angle COE is equal to 90 degree. So angle COE plus angle COD, both taking together becomes angle DOE. So you can write this part as angle DOE is equal to 90 degree, DOE, and which we have to be proved. So write it, hence proved. Now this exercise is completed, 7th B, and students, I request that please subscribe my channel, so increase in my subscriber. Thank you.